Hello everyone, I am going to show you mechanical pencil collection. First, this one. This mechanical pencil is from Papermate. And here is a closer-up view on this mechanical pencil. Second one is this one. This one is a little different than this one, but it's practically about the same. Next is this one. This one is from Pilot G2. And this is a closer-up of this mechanical pencil. The next up is this one. This mechanical pencil uses Gorilla lead. So the lead is little bigger. Okay. The next one is this one. This one is from Zebra. Close-up view. It says Z Grip Plus. The next mechanical pencil is this one, which is Twist Erase GT. And here's close-up view. So if you twist this, the eraser comes out. If you untwist it, the eraser goes back in. The next one is BIC. Here's a close-up view. The next one is again BIC, but different one. See? Here is. See? It's a little different. And this one says BIC Atlantis. The last two I'm going to show you is first is Gorilla lead. It's this one. Whenever it says Gorilla lead, it's different from little different from other lead pencils. This one shows this. It's not circular, but it is more rectangular. This one. So it's, and the last one for now is this one. This one is Sharpie. So it rarely breaks. This is more like mechanical pencil. That's it for today. And comment down and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.